MIWE atmospheric baking. Do you always want perfect consistent quality, no matter the weather conditions? Uniformly baked products from top to bottom with even more volume while also saving energy? That's what our MIWE atmospheric baking has to offer. And the best thing about it is that this function is already automatically stored in the program design. Of course, as with all our functions, you have the option of changing it. I will now show you how to modify these settings. MIWE atmospheric baking is stored by default. You can find the setting by pressing on a program. Now, like here in the manual mode, move the cursor to the right. The A means that MIWE atmospheric baking is active. However, if your rolls are not crispy enough for you, you can change the settings. Here we'll use a 50% airflow opening for example, and then confirm. Alternatively, the function can also be changed permanently in the baking program. To do this, go to the desired baking program in Programs. Because our previous change was made in manual mode, the baking program is still unchanged. I can change it here. Set the value to 50% and then confirm. It's now done and it already says Kaiser, and the 50% has been stored.